I'm McHone with the Whissel Realty Group, and I'm here at my house because of the stay-at-home order. But that's not going to stop me from doing a virtual home and beer pairing. So, a lot of people like to pair their food with a beer. I'm going to pair this home with a beer. Let's virtually go inside and check it out. Is 80 3rd Avenue, Unit 2, in Chula Vista. Now, if you know Chula Vista and you hear 3rd Avenue, you're probably thinking, that's an awesome location. And you're right. We're right up the street from everything 3rd Avenue has to offer, including coffee shops, restaurants, and you guessed it, breweries. Now, being that we're just a short stroll away from 3 Pump Sales, I had to use one of their beers. Today, we're pairing this home with La Flama Blanca Lager. Just like this beer has been modernized, so is this home. From the brand new luxury vinyl plank floors and custom white counters and recessed lighting to the updated bathrooms and granite countertops. This home has been upgraded from top to bottom to appeal to today's modern buyers, just like this beer. This home at 80 3rd Avenue, Unit 2 in Chula Vista pairs perfectly with 3 Pump Ales La Flama Blanca Lager. Be sure to check out the 3D tour, and if you have a question, drop a comment below.